Floor Grip Medic here. So we are once again ripping out an epoxy floor that another contractor did. This floor was done about 2 years ago. And you can see basically what the other contractor did was he painted over whatever was there before. It looks like they had a brown coating underneath. So he didn't prep the floor properly. But this is also what you get with most epoxies. They just simply crack and they start to peel. It's a terrible floor. But we're gonna completely remove it. And we're gonna put our coating down. Lifetime warranty is with our coating. You'll never have this issue. You'll never have separation or delamination. So here we are, folks. Part 2 of the video. We're removing this old coating, taking it down to the original concrete. This is the proper way to prep a garage floor.